Hello, this is Roberto Perez, RP Home Group of Keller Williams Realty, and today is Monday. And as usual, I like to share with you what's going on here in Northeast Florida in regards to real estate sales. Now, there's important information if you're thinking of buying or selling real estate. You want to make sure that you are making an informed decision before taking on such an important endeavor. So let's start off with the numbers here. First and foremost, we have active homes on the market, 2,444 homes. If you look to see all that red right next to it, this is week over week. It has obviously gone down. It continues to go down. Our inventory is extremely low. We were sitting at approximately 6,000 last year, 7,000 the year before last. So it is something that is a challenge in this market for buyers. For sellers, it's also a challenge, believe it or not. Why? Because a lot of those sellers are wanting to buy. And if there's nothing on the market for them to buy, they're going to feel very apprehensive about putting their house on the market to sell. That's probably about 30% of the gap in inventory we have are sellers that want to sell, but they can't find something to buy. Or if they see something that they want to buy, it's gone in 1 or 2 days. And their hand isn't as strong when they write that offer contingent on their house selling. Now, we do a couple things that have ensured our clients' success. One of them is a reverse contingency. The other one is an escalatory clause, and really case by case, depending on the seller and buyer situation, we do what we can to negotiate the best possible deal. So. So anyway, so let's take a look at the rest of the numbers here. 329 homes hit the market in the last 7 days. Total pendings have gone up. You see that blue over here? So at the 363, let me open that up here. That 363, that's total pendings. That's how many houses are actually under contract. Obviously, that number is going up. It's the highest it's been since approximately August, right? So we do not have a shortage of buyers. Contingent pending listed in the last 7 days. So what is this number telling us? This is the number of homes that went under contract that were listed in the last 7 days. This gives us our absorption. So look at this number right here, 68.39. What is that telling us? That 68% of the homes that hit the market are going to go under contract in the first week. The week before last was 64%, 30%, 60, 46%, 49%. What is this telling us is that if your house is priced accurately, good condition, good terms, your house is going to sell. Now, something to be very careful of, just because your house goes under contract or an agent puts a sign in front of your house doesn't mean you're getting the best possible deal. That's why it's important to interview a couple agents, to talk to them about their strategy, and for them to show you proof that they net their sellers more than the average agent. If they can't provide that information or do not know where to find it, then you might need to ask yourself if you're not working with the right agent. Anyways, so let's take a look at really that's the gist of it right there. I mean, that's really what's going on in the market. Next week, we should be able to get you our, let me double check the calendar actually. Yeah, next week we'll give you our monthly update. So that way we can get an accurate, we can kind of compare month over month what's going on. So, the story hasn't changed, still very much a seller's market. Make sure you're working with a real estate professional that has a proven track record of netting their sellers more than the average agent. A lot of agents are putting houses on the market at the average price. This is obviously a seller's market, so you can be a little bit more aggressive. Now, on the flip side, on the buyer side, what do you need to do in order to get that house that you really want in this competitive market? Give us a call. We'd be more than happy to show you what we do to help our clients out. So hopefully that was of value to you. Now let's talk about a couple other things really quickly. One of them being a possibility of change here in the market. So this came out from CNBC a couple days ago. Check this out. Mortgage demand falls further as rates rise at the fastest pace in months. So is this what it sounds like? Is this something where the market is starting to maybe soften up a little bit? Less buyers, higher interest rate, something for us to pay attention to. I mean, in all reality, this is not a 2008 kind of issue here. We have low inventory. We have sellers with lots of equity, and we have strong buyer demand, low interest rates. So I don't believe we're not gonna have a market crash or anything crazy like that. I know some people are wishing for that, but I don't see that happening. What we hope to expect is some type of leveling out in the market, because right now it's very skewed towards sellers, and that could be problematic long term. But I feel like this is going to be the case for the next couple years. Ideally, with it flattening out this year, maybe at 3% appreciation. But we shall see. All I could say is if you are thinking of buying or selling real estate, please shoot us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you and see how we could be of value to you. Hope everybody has a great night. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.